Hey guys, welcome to another video. For today, I'm filming a what's in my carry-on video because I'm going on a trip in just a couple of days, so I'm thinking about packing quite a lot. And yeah, let's get into it. This is my carry-on and I actually got it last week from TJ Maxx. It's this Calvin Klein hard shell luggage and it was $60. It's also like pretty spacious on the inside, so I think I can fit a lot of things in there. And now let's talk about all the things that are gonna go inside. I'm gonna start with my travel neck pillow. This one I got from Primark and it was really cheap. It was like $7 and it's really good quality, like very comfy. It's like memory foam, so I recommend going to Primark if you're looking for a cheaper travel pillow. Also TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Next up, I have a couple of earplugs just because I find it really hard to fall asleep when it's like really noisy around me. So I need some like noise cancelling, and these are really great for airplanes or just like sleeping in noisy places. These are some basic earplugs that I got from Amazon. They were like a pack of hundreds of them for $20 or something, so I like them, but they're like nothing special. In that same theme is my sleep mask, which is really cute. I actually got it in a set from Glow Recipe with their avocado night sleep mask or something, but this is really cute and I really like the little avocados. This is like super soft material, very like cushiony and nice, so I love it. I've been using it for just regular sleep as well. Next up, I have some melatonin by now. And this is not necessarily for the flight, but I'm definitely gonna need this when I get to my destination, just because I'm going to Europe and I'm gonna be very jet lagged, I'm sure. So I'm gonna need this to like fall asleep and to like basically adjust to the new time zone. Next up, I have a little sweatshirt. This is my Gryffindor sweatshirt that I got from Primark a while back. And I always like to have like a warm sweatshirt or something to put on because like airplanes tend to be a little colder because of like the AC and stuff, so it's always good to have something like this. Next up, I also have my own entertainment. I have a Kindle, which is currently not charged, but I'm gonna charge it before I leave. I also have my iPad, which most likely I'm gonna bring with me instead of my laptop. I haven't decided on that yet, but yeah, this is for just, I might download some Netflix movies to watch offline or like some YouTube videos. I'm also bringing a charger. This is my iPad charger, but it works on my phone too, so I'm just gonna bring that with me. Then is of course my passport. I also like to have a pen and a little notebook or something because on planes sometimes you have to like fill out forms and stuff, and it's always nice to have a pen because I feel like every time when I'm traveling I don't have a pen, and I always like ask the flight attendants and they never have one, so I have to like ask people around me and I'm feeling awkward and stuff, so I always make it a point to bring one since it happened to me a couple of times to not have a pen. On planes I also always like to have snacks with me, and I usually bring some nuts. I got this pistachio, just the meat inside. Pistachio nut meats from Trader Joe's. They are dry roasted and salted, so like easy to eat and convenient. I also have this crispy chickpeas with sea salt, and just in case, this Kind bar, which is the apricot and almond. I also like to have gum. I like to buy the 5 gums. I like their flavors the most. I also carry a empty water bottle that I can fill up at the airport, or it's just nice to have. I have this glass bottle, which I think I got from TJ Maxx like a year ago or so. I really like glass bottles. I just like feel better drinking from glass. Next up, I have this foldable duffel bag. It's like a gym duffel. I thought it would be like convenient to have just in case I have more things coming back and I can use that as another carry-on piece. I got this from a FabFitFun box. And then on airplanes, I always like to have some makeup essentials and like personal care products, so I'm gonna talk about these a little bit too. I'm gonna start with my new favorite lip balm, which is this one from Whole Foods. It's their Tangerine organic lip balm, and like it's probably the cheapest lip balm that they have, but it's so good. It smells amazing and it's very hydrating and nourishing to the lips, so Recommend this one for sure. It's just a couple bucks, as I said. Very, very nice. I also have this travel size moisturizer for face and body, and I use that on my face and my hands. This is the Cetaphil fragrance-free moisturizer. And I actually also have a hand cream. This one I got from Sephora and it works really well. The only thing that I wasn't aware of is it has fragrance, which I usually try to avoid, but I make an exception for this one because it works really well as a hand cream. I also have hand sanitizer. This is a Dr. Bronner's Lavender Organic Hand Sanitizer, and it smells exactly like their other lavender products. And I'm gonna go through my little makeup essential bag real quick. I have my Clinique Even Better foundation. I have a little concealer by RMS Beauty. I have a little travel version of Tarte Spark F Princess bronzer. I also have a blush by hand in the color Coral Candy. This is a very nice organic non-toxic blush. I have the Glossier Boy Brow Eyebrow Gel. I tried that in a previous video and I think it will be really convenient for airplane where you can't like carry too much stuff. I also have this Bite Beauty liquid lipstick in the color Caramelized. I'm wearing that right now actually. It's barely visible, but I really like it. It doesn't really show up on camera, but it's really pretty. And I also have this Honest Beauty mascara. And then just a bunch of brushes, and I have a little mirror that I got from a Birchbox once when I was subscribed. And this is my little makeup bag. And I also like to have a Ziploc bag just to put everything that's liquid in there because like that's the regulation, right? And then the last things that I always like to have are hairbrush and just a couple of little hair ties just in case I need to like tie my hair. Do you guys have any travel essentials that I missed in this video? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more lifestyle content. I will probably take a little break while I'm traveling, so I'm not gonna see you with another video next week, but in just a couple of weeks. So make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you real soon. Bye guys!